Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the coin cell battery, loosen the screw securing the side cover and slide the cover off the system to remove it. Find the speaker and disconnect the cables. Press the tab that secures the speaker. Lift the speaker off the bracket. Identify the coin cell battery. Pull the coin cell battery cover tab and rotate the coin cell battery cover. Pull and lift the coin cell battery to remove from battery socket. To reinstall the coin cell battery, insert the coin cell battery into the battery socket. Rotate and press the coin cell battery cover. Place the speaker into the speaker support bracket. Connect the speaker cable to its connector. Place the side cover on the chassis by aligning the tabs on the side cover with the slots on the chassis. Slide the side cover towards the rear of the computer. Tighten the screw. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.